what will be our market opportunity if you are going to develop applications in Web3. The first opportunity is that there's a big growing Web3 industry. So there's really a growing Web3 industry. So before it was just underground, but right now it's starting to pick up. No, the Web3 industry is rapidly expanding with billion-dollar flowing into decentralized finance, DeFi, so non-fungible tokens for games and gaming, and then blockchain-based services. So venture capital firms, enterprises, governments are investing heavily in blockchain solutions, signaling that this technology is moving beyond experimentation and into mainstream adoption. For developers, this means building apps on blockchain isn't just a niche hobby, it's entering a market with strong financial backing, global reach, and long term growth potential.